Dear students, I am Sandeep Tiwari, your physics teacher. Today, I will teach some short definitions and the relation between drift velocity and movability. Mean free path, relaxation time, and drift velocity of free electrons. First, mean free path. The average distance moved by a free electrons between two successive collisions is called mean free path of the electron. Now, relaxation time. The average time interval between two successive collisions is called relaxation time of the electron. Since the direction of motion of free electron changes after each collision, hence the average thermal velocity of all the free electrons is zero. Drift velocity. The potential difference of a battery does not give an accelerated motion to the electrons, but simply gives them a drift, that is, a small constant velocity of order of a few millimeter per second along the length of the wire opposite to electric field. This average velocity of the electron is called drift velocity of the electron. Drift velocity Vd is equal to a tau. Vd is equal to drift velocity, a is acceleration, and tau mean relaxation time. Now, relation between drift velocity and mobility. The drift velocity of an electron under the influence of an electric field E is Vd is equal to a tau. Putting the value of A by second law of motion, F by m into tau is equal to small e capital E tau by m. Vd is equal to small e tau by m into E. The term E tau by m is constant if temperature remains constant, is known as mobility of electron mu E. Thus, drift velocity Vd is equal to mu E into E. The mu is equal to Vd by capital E. It is equation first and second. From equation first, it is clear that under the influence of an electric field, an electron drifts with a steady velocity whose magnitude depends on capital E electric field. Mu is equal to J by Ne into E, because Vd is equal to J by Ne. If capital E is equal to 1 volt per meter, then from equation second, mu E is equal to Vd. Therefore, the mobility of electron is numerically equal to magnitude of drift velocity imparted by an uniform E. Mobility is always positive, and SI unit of mobility is meter square per volt second.